I have this chart down here that I made to show break even and expectancy and profitability. On this axis, we have the win rate from 5 to 95, which it's a percentage, so really from 0 to 100. And then the reward multiple, so how much are we making on average for our winners versus our losers? So the reality is, depending on how we manage our trade and execution and stuff, most likely our average reward multiple will be different, especially if you move your stops to break even or something like that. So this is our win rate to break even. So we have it right here too. It's hard to see in this in the white font here, but for half an hour we need to maintain at least a 66% win rate to break even, right? Almost 67, might as well say. With a 1 hour, 1 risk to reward, we need a 50% win rate, 2 hour 33%, and so on. So if you're winning 10 times the amount per trade that you lose, you only need a 9% win rate to be break even. You could be taking loss after loss after loss, and then like I said, like that 1 month you take your winner and you're suddenly profitable, you know, or you take 2 in a row and you made money for the whole year. My R&R in my personal crypto trading has maintained an average of right under 6R, 5.9R exactly, which means I literally only need a 14% win rate to be at break even. I've pretty much always maintained probably about 35% to about 60%. My average is actually more around 45 to 53% win rate in my personal account. Depending on what our reward is, we need at least this amount of win rate to be at break even, and anything above that is profitable. With a 50% win rate, for example, once we go above that 1R, we're profitable. If we're making 3R, 4R, 5R, then we're well into profitability. And it'd be cool to see an expectancy number here too. We can also see with lower R&R and a higher win rate, we also are greatly profitable. With a 3R or 2R, we're almost equally as profitable. Let's see, for 50% win rate with a 2R, we have this nice yellow color here. I think it looks like about that same color up here. Higher win rate, lower R multiple. So, but we can see as we get into the more green, highly profitable trading here, like I have about a 5.9 multiple, R multiple in my personal account. That's way greener than any of this area here that I'm talking about with my 50% win rate and 2R. The winners being a lot bigger than my losers has helped me a lot. Even with around a 50% win rate, we can see it's much more green here than it is down here. There's probably a range here that most successful traders fall in, and I'm just gonna guess it's somewhere right around here, because this is pretty crazy to have 10R multiple and an average win rate of like 50% or something. So this is probably more the sweet spot right here, or like I said for my personal account, actually right around here is probably a really good sweet spot if you're getting 6R and a 50% win rate. So that's like me, that's like my personal account right here.